Hey guys, what's going on? I've got a nice quick video for you today, so without further ado, let's get into it. So, I don't know if you've been made aware, but DJI have updated their DJI Fly app for the DJI Mavic Air 2 and also the DJI Air 2S. So, today we're going to take a look inside the app, which I've already downloaded and updated. So let's get into that and get looking what new features the app has. So we've just come into the app now. If you want to check on your device, if you go across to About, if you look down on to the About page, it also says app version, okay? This one is 1.42, okay? So this is the one you need to download off the App Store or the Google Store or the Play Store. I don't even know what it's called anymore because I've got an iPhone. So let's get straight into it. So one of the main key features that I wanted to focus on in this video was one of the ones in the camera settings. So if we go across the camera, so if you're shooting MP4, most of you guys will be, and if you're looking to color grade, you'll be looking to shoot in the D-Log format, all right, which obviously is a flat profile color, but then when you put it into the editing room and you're looking to add LUTs and color grade, you are able to bring out more colors, more highlights and more shadows in the actual shot itself when you capture on the drone. So as you can see on the screen, I'll put it up also on the screen which you guys are watching off now, is we have the color display assist. Basically what you can do now, so at the moment it's currently on, okay? So if I go full screen there, you can see that the color assist is currently on when we're in the D-Log format, all right? So we're gonna go back into our settings, and if you can see here, I'll toggle it off now. And you can see we've now gone back to a flat profile. So before this update, this is what you usually would have seen in the screen and on the drone before you put it into the video software that you use to edit, okay? So this is literally how you toggle on back into settings, and then you also click the toggle, and then you can see that the drone using this new feature has added saturation back to the image. So when you're out in the field, you can actually see pretty much what color profile you're going to be getting once you return to your computer. And if any of you guys use any mirrorless cameras and shoot in S-Log or any Canon profiles that are flat, you will come to learn that you can only do something like this if you have an external monitor and you preload the sets to the actual monitor itself. So I think this is a super helpful new feature, especially for someone like myself, looking to obviously know what the correct color and I have the correct highlights and shadows exposed when I'm shooting out in the field. So that is one of the new main features on the drone itself or in the actual new update, all right? So I think that is absolutely vital and I think is a great new feature. So simply just toggle it on and off, you can see how it works. However, it will not work in HLG, okay? It will not work in that one, and it also will not work in the normal settings, all right? So only in D-Log will you be able to use this feature. And as you can see here, there on the screen, we now have what I believe is looks to me to advise you of how close a object is in front of you using the front-facing sensors, basically. So it's nice and simple. Let me see if I put my hand above it, it changes. See, well, it's saying the sensors are blocked, but if I take it away there, the ceiling is around about 0.5 meters in front of me. So that's another good feature. Obviously, when you're actually flying the drone itself, theoretically, you should be flying towards obviously the object you're looking to capture, so you should be able to see it, unless obviously you're going under some low-lying trees and you want to get those tight angles. But that is one of the new features I wanted to quickly show you in the new DJI app update, all right? But just to let you know, on this video, I've been shooting on my new Rode NTG2. So if you're enjoying the audio quality better than my previous videos, please give this video a thumbs up, All right, and if you haven't been here before, please do subscribe down below. Also comment so I can see what you guys want to see in the future, all right? But maybe this mic picked up a lot of the fan noise from the drone. Hopefully you won't be hearing it, but that's a quick update from me and the new update from the DJI Fly app. That's all. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.